In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a brand new Telegram bot where you can earn Dogecoin just by watching ads. It's super easy, completely free, and works on any device. Stick around till the end because I'll also show you how to withdraw your Dogecoin with real proof of payment. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing great. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends so more people can earn free Dogecoin. Now, let's jump right into it. First, use the link that I've placed in the comments section of this video and in my Telegram channel to join this bot. After starting it, click on Open App to enter the bot's mini app. In the next step, you can choose your preferred language, and as you can see, it supports many different languages. After selecting your language, you will be directed to the Generator section. In this section, it generates Dogecoin for you completely free, and the longer you wait, the more it mines for you. To claim your balance, click on Get Reward. Then you will be shown an advertisement. After watching the ad, you will be directed to this section where, by clicking on Double Reward, you can watch another ad and double your earnings. I strongly recommend doing this to receive more rewards. You can click on Get Reward once every 5 minutes to collect your balance, and the longer you wait, the higher the amount it mines for you. By clicking on Tasks, you can from the Daily Check-in section, click on Claim to collect your daily reward. From the Double Claimer section, if you collect your generator balance 10 times a day and double it by watching an ad, you can then click on Claim and receive the reward from this section as well. In the Share and Earn section, you can also receive extra rewards by sharing this bot on these 5 social networks. To do this, click on one of the social network icons, then return to the bot without doing anything else. Repeat the same for the other networks, and you will receive the reward from this section. This can be used once every 24 hours. In the Games section, there are currently no games available, but soon games will be added, and you'll also be able to earn Dogecoin by playing them. To get your referral link, click on Friends. From here, you can copy your invitation link and share it with your friends. For each friend you invite, you will receive a 10% commission. To withdraw your balance, click on Wallet. You can withdraw your earnings from this bot in 2 different ways. 1. Direct Wallet. With this option, you can withdraw your balance to any exchange or wallet you like. To do this, copy your wallet address from your preferred exchange or wallet, paste it into the field, and then click on Save Address. After saving your wallet address, click on Withdraw so your balance will be sent to your account. Withdrawals are processed every 24 hours and then sent to users' accounts. The minimum withdrawal amount with this method is 0.01 Dogecoin. 2. FaucetPay. This method is instant. To withdraw your balance through FaucetPay, enter your FaucetPay email in the first field, then click on Save Address. After saving your email, click on Withdraw, and your reward will be sent to your account instantly. The minimum withdrawal amount with this method is also 0.01 Dogecoin. To show you that this bot really pays, I withdrew my balance through FaucetPay, and as you can see, it was sent instantly to my account without any fees. So you can rest assured that this bot's payments are legit. And that's it, guys. We've gone through how this Telegram bot works and even tested the withdrawal. And as you saw, it really pays instantly. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on new earning opportunities. Also, join my Telegram channel for updates, withdrawal proofs, and more hidden gems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.